Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk through how to install the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS operating system on VMware together. First, VMware software has already been installed on your computer. Next, download the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS ISO file from the official Ubuntu website. Now, open VMware and create a new virtual machine to install Ubuntu. From the VMware menu, go to File and select New Virtual Machine to start creating a new virtual machine. Select the typical option and click Next to continue. Guest operating system, select Linux, and for the version choose Ubuntu. Next, name your virtual machine and choose the location on your disk where you want to store it. Now, set the disk size for your virtual machine. You can adjust it based on your usage needs. Finally, click Finish to complete the virtual machine creation process. Next, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings to adjust the virtual machine's configuration as needed. Click on CD/DVD to select the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded in Step 1.2. Next, under Network Adapter, choose a network card that supports an internet connection. If you're unsure, you can select NAT. Once you've completed the setup, click OK to apply the changes you've made. Now click on Power on this virtual machine to boot up the virtual machine and begin the Ubuntu installation process. When the boot screen appears, select Try or Install Ubuntu and press Enter to continue. Select your preferred language for the installation process, then click Next to continue. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Click Skip. We'll perform the updates after the installation is complete. Select Install Ubuntu and click Next to begin the operating system installation. Keep the default and click Next to continue. Keep the default and click Next to continue. Enter the account information you want to use, including your name, username, and password. Then click Next to continue. Select the time zone that matches your location, then click Next to continue. Finally, click Install to begin the Ubuntu installation process. The installation process will take a few minutes. Please wait while the system completes the installation. Ubuntu has been successfully installed. Click Restart Now to reboot system. Press Enter to remove the ISO file and continue booting into the Ubuntu operating system. In some cases, VMware tools may not be installed automatically after the OS installation. Therefore, we need to install it manually to enable features such as clipboard sharing, drag and drop, and proper screen resolution. And that's it. We've successfully completed the installation of Ubuntu 24 LTS on VMware. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.